it's gonna be a really quick challenge, okay, guys?
Yeah, because our video is going to run out of storage. Hurry up.
Yeah.
I'm gonna help you.
Did he use all of it?
That's good.
No, it's not.
I need help. They good. Okay, I'm gonna need some activator. Okay, we got some activator. Wait,
More.
That's good. I need a spoon. That's good. I need a spoon. This is gonna overactivate. Okay, put some glue. Just a little bit. Let's see if I have a little bit more. Oh my god, I just touched I have more. Nada. Now I have to make it. Nada. Now I have to make it. Where's the spoon? Mix it. Kimmy, where did you leave the spoon? Oh, here. Mix it.
Kinley, you have to give that to me.
No, me.
Destiny, hand mix.
Let me.
Okay, you don't have to. Just give me some activator. You're the poor activator.
Okay, here. I already add you.
Just add more.
More activator. It will not overactivate.
It will.
No.
If
It
you-
won't be in the slime.
If you add too much, it'll overactivate. More, Destiny. A lot. Add a lot. Just add a
That's
little
all
bit.
of it.
There's still more in there. Just use that.
All of it?
Yes, Destiny.
No. Okay.
Use every single drop. You guys are already making some. You guys have to get in there with your hands.
Yeah, you have to.
Is Jason gonna give me some?
Kinley, I'm gonna do it with
No.
you. It's already slime. I'm almost out of activator.
Okay. Guys, here's some extra. There's some extra activator.
Kinley's already
Oh my God.
finished. Kinley, she already has slime.
Wait, what the heck?
Oh. He has slime.
We need more, Jason. I need more.
Oh no. Kind of sticky.
A lot. Thank you.
Bro, this turns like a. When
See,
you
a
make it,
lot of
I'll like
slime.
get it. Oh no, look at my fingers.
It's okay. Your fingers are a lot cleaner than anyone else's here.
Oh, I don't know.
Well, it's a lot of germs. That's the remember your mom doesn't like you touching it.
Yeah, but this is my slime and yours.
Oh,
Drop my ear.
Kelly, you're fine.
You didn't. No, don't add.
Oh,
a lot.
slime.
Oh no, I just
Almost
got some
slime.
activator on me.
You got slime. You got slime.
Go slime. No,
Well,
but
you
how
already
about the extra slime?
It's almost gonna
It's almost gonna be slime.
Okay.
You're
Let's
almost
just
gonna
get
be
this
slime. I'm gonna do this.
Don't
I
have
never
to.
mix with my hands.
Oh my god, this is overactivated. Give me this.
Okay, wait. This is overactivated.
Oh my god, I think
We need a little bit more glue. So I thought we were not recording. Yeah, we need a
Add
little bit
more
more glue.
Add more glue.
Oh no, 5%.
Oh no. Just.
Sorry. Sorry about that.
Yeah. Give me this.
Oh no. Oh. I got it. Can we use a little bit of yours, Kimley?
Yeah. It's why is it so like this? Okay. Get down.
Why? Why do you want this to get down? No, none of the glue. Just bring it down. Bro, this is kind of perfect.
This is kind of sticky now.
No.
Emma, don't touch the floor.
Oh no, we're out of activator. No.
Thank you. We're out of activator.
It's gonna stay on our hands forever now.
Okay, Kimberly, let me knead your slime.
No.
Let me knead it.
Needed it.
Well, that helps it. Let's hope. Hope this helps this slime.
John made it.
I'm trying to knead it so it becomes better.
Oh, what do you mean slime?
Oh my god, Kimberly, this is not good.
Slime. add too much activator.
No, you added.
Too much glue.
Yeah. We stuck to hands.
Wait, how about this? How about?
Squeeze it in.
Okay, there.
Get the other activator.
Get the other activator. But I'm gonna be out.
Oh my god, guys, this is not good.
Bro, we took a long time to mix. Probably.
Disney, put some of your slime.
Activator. What the heck?
Yes, it came out. Okay, this is kind of what.
Me slime. I need water.
Come on, slime is forming.
The slime is forming. And I already did. The slime is forming. Our slime is forming. Water. My slime already formed.
Go get the hose.
What?
The hose.
Did he do fluffy slime? Yes, we did fluffy slime.
No, that just has the clay in it.
Yeah, it's that's butter slime.
Jaden, just let her use your water. Put it in her hands.
Okay.
This stuff is so sticky.
No, mine is not.
Jason, can you add more?
Okay, let's
Try to add as much as you can. Okay. Oh, God.
Mine is ours is forming.
Yeah, ours is already formed because we added a
No,
little
but the extra pieces with together
Jason, pick it up.
with the
Slime has been made.
Yeah, this one's
Add
ours.
more. This one is really sticky.
Wait, it's kind of sticky. This one's Kimley's.
Okay, put more activator.
Ours is over.
Okay, there's. Yes, it has activator in it.
Okay, I just add a little bit of glue so it could be like kind of glowy.
Oh yeah, it's already glow in the dark. That feels glow in the dark. Wait, I think that there's still
This
activator.
is almost glowing in the dark. This is.
Look.
It's already slime. It's already slime. This is
It's
hard.
cool.
It's hard to. Okay, this is really hard to punch.
I might have slime on this.
Ours is not too hard to punch. It sticks together. It's really hard.
It's
It's
supposed to stick-
punch it. When you try to
Oh,
punch
it's jiggly slime.
it, look at that.
You made jiggly slime, Destiny.
Jiggly slime. I
Jiggly,
never
jiggly.
made jiggly slime or anything. I just made fluffy slime. We're back. Okay. And our slime, and that slime didn't form yet.
It formed.
It formed.
Why are you using it all?
Because not.
Come on, that's not even yours.
With Jason's. It's mine.
Did you even give her permission to use it? She just took it from the table.
I put my mouth.
You gave her permission. Oh yeah, he spit in there.
I spit in there. Yeah. Yeah.
That's
No,
why-
it's not. And I drink that. I drink from that. I drink from that. I drink from that. So you got my
jiggly
slime. Jiggly slime. No, it's the circus slime. Our slime. It's sticky. No. Your slime didn't. It formed.
This is jiggly. It's not even like sticky.
Yeah. It's not sticky. Wait, we have some extra pieces. Your slime is sticky slime.
Yeah.
And that's jiggly slime, and this is. No, I call it circus slime. I'm gonna call it jiggly slime. I got circus slime. Jiggly slime.
How about this is our
sticky
brand of slime? That's our brand of slime.
Wait, jiggly slime, sticky slime, and fluffy
And
fluffy
butter slime
slime.
and butter slime.
And butter slime. We really need to make we actually need to make fluffy slime.
Whoa, we've been recording for 8 minutes.
We actually need to make fluffy slime.
This might be our longest video ever. Whoa.
Okay. Our video's gonna up right now. If you like this video,
Oh,
thumbs up and
If you like this video,
give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to the video.
Bye.